This is Introduction to your ACCA FA paper, which is also called F3. This is the first paper. Usually when students they start at ACCA qualification, they start with F3. My name is Syed Mohammad Ali. I am an accounting and finance professional with over 20 years of working experience, and I have been teaching ACCA for almost 15 years now. So as for the syllabus, syllabus is not really very difficult, although it is long, but it is very interesting. This is fundamental of financial accounting, so it means that we start with the very basics of accounting. We know what is financial, what is financial accounting about, what do we get, how do we make financial reports, what are the financial reports, income statement and balance sheet, how do we record transactions, because ACCA F3 actually it is focusing on bookkeeping. There are two parts of accounting: bookkeeping and reporting. Bookkeeping is the process of recording the financial transactions. So in this thing we are going to discuss how to record the financial transactions. So it means that we are going to learn debits and credits, we are going to learn journals and ledgers, and then financial statements, and then what errors or mistakes we made while preparing the financial statements or while recording the financial data or financial transactions, how to correct those errors. Then we will learn about cash flow statement, income statement, balance sheet. Of course, we'll do analysis of these financial statements, we'll do ratio analysis, and then there is a consolidation thing. So quite a lot of topics are covered here. Because we follow BPP books, so there are 26 chapters in the syllabus. Which looks like that quite a lot of areas to cover, but not in great depth. Actually, this F3 paper, it becomes basis for your next paper, which is F7, financial reporting. So the knowledge which you learn from F3, you are going to use it in F7 somehow. Out of 26 chapters which I mentioned, I can say that 10 or 12 chapters are those which are really challenging, in which you need to do quite a lot of effort, but then other chapters you would be easily understand those chapters. Now, what is included in our course? I have covered each and every part of the syllabus, the entire syllabus, with very detailed lectures covering every topic, because you will get two books. One is called the study text, one is called the practice kit. So study text is actually where you are learning the concepts. Practice kit is where you are applying the concept, you are doing questions. So I've covered the entire study text. Then I've done quite a lot of videos on doing practice questions. So when you see a question, how do you approach the question? How do you understand the question? How do you extract the data? How do you quickly, how to find out answer quickly? So you will find a lot of practice question videos as well. Then you get short notes, which I'm using, the short summaries for each chapter. Then you will also get the Excel files, because we are doing questions on Excel files, so you can download those Excel files for your reference as well. So overall, I can say that everything what you need is included in this syllabus, is included in this course to help you pass your ACCA F3 exam in the first attempt with a very good score. You can always contact me to ask any queries if you have. You can post your comments, and I usually respond to those comments. Now, how much time is needed? How much time is needed to finish this syllabus? Actually, the maximum time period which I put the time frame which I put maximum is 3.5 months. This is the maximum. But I know that it could be easily done in 2.5 months as well. If you are not a working professional, if you are a full-time student, and if you can allocate 3 hours per day, you can finish this paper in 2.5 months easily as well. So I consider an effort of 2.5 or 3 hours per day. Let's call it 2 to 3 hours per day. For next 2 to 3 months, you will be definitely able to score a good score in the final exam for it. So if I speak about the exam, it is a computer-based exam. You call it CBE on demand, which means that you can take exam any time of the year. It is your choice whenever you feel ready. It is going to be a 2 hours exam. 50 marks, pass marks are 50%. And the exam structure is like there are going to be 35 questions for 2 marks each, MCQs. Some of those questions are conceptual, theoretical. Some of those questions require calculation. So 35 questions of 2 marks each makes it 70 marks. Then there are 2 long questions for 15 marks each. So 2 times 15 makes it 30, 100 marks are there. These 2 long questions, actually, they give you one scenario, and on that one scenario, then they ask you short questions, like 10 short questions under each scenario you have to answer. and that's how your exam is there. So you spend 3 hours in the exam center, and as soon as you press the submit button, immediately your printout, your result comes out, you take your certificate and you walk out. 3 months time period with approximately 2 to 3 hours per day. There is absolutely no doubt that you cannot score good. Whatever resources are required, we have provided all the resources, we have uploaded all the resources. And other than that, if you need any support, you can always contact me. So good luck with your ACCA qualification. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much for watching.